As we spend more time here on the farm, we start to notice the little things, the marvelous beauty in the details. I once read a quote that said, "The little things, the little moments, they aren't little." Surrounded by nature's detail, it's a perfect way to spend a Sunday. Except for some who like to tinker. As the storm clouds rolled in, I decided to get some kitchen herbs into the ground. The weather here changes at the drop of a hat. I still got some playtime in the veggie garden and came home with a bumper basket full of nutritious treasures. Sunday ended in stillness, as mist muffled the sounds and covered the farm in a blanket of dove grey. Monday comes, and the same sky that held the storm clouds is now a bright blue day. I couldn't have dreamed up a better start. It started with raspberry picking and then the taste of the first fig of the season. The chickens needed some grass cutting done before the start of the festive season. The ladies got stuck into clearing some beds to prepare for planting beans in January.
Coleslaw for Christmas.
It's a beautiful place to work. Some of us even got to end the day with a swim in the neighbor's dam. Bliss.